Another thing that Silicon Valley Clean Energy does, besides providing competitive rates, is it invests in innovative solutions to reduce carbon emissions in our communities.
Vargas was such a strong candidate for the decarbonization grant because we were taking existing old gas-fed furnaces that make a larger impact on the carbon footprint and went towards a more energy efficient, greener approach with all-electric barred heat pumps in the classrooms. So what we were able to do is we take an all-electric barred unit, we build a little wing wall, we integrate it back into the corner, and it's relatively low profile, extremely quiet, and then run ductwork across the top.
Just having them so visible and accessible in classrooms will allow for teachers to really teach our students the impact of our carbon footprint here on campus and how now we are creating a smaller footprint because we are running through electricity instead of gas.
Silicon Valley Clean Energy invested $500,000 in Vargas Elementary.
And that's $500,000 that then becomes available of taxpayer dollars that are available for other similar projects downstream. So when we think about the next school that we're going to modernize, Sunnyvale Middle School, that's $500,000 that's available for this type of project at that school.